Let me introduce myself. My name is Yusnita Munte. Here I want to explain the organs of the human body and their function. Hair. Hair function to protect the skin from exposure to sunlight, dust, and dirt, as well as help maintain body temperature by providing insulation. Hair also plays a role in the sense of the touch. Skin function to protect the body from infection, injury, and fluid loss, as well as regulate body temperature, send stimuli, and produce vitamin D. The eyes function to see which involves converting incoming light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain to be processed as image or vision. The nose function to inhale air, filter dust and dirt, regulate the temperature of the incoming air, and plays a role in the sense of smell. The air function to detect sound, send sound signals to the brain and help maintain body balance. The mouth function to receive food and drink, begin the digestion process through chewing and producing saliva, as well as play a role speaking and breathing. The hand function to perform various physical activities such as grasping, holding, and moving objects, and also play a role in fine motor skills and nonverbal communication. The legs function to support the body, walk, run, and stand, as well as assist in balance and body mobility. The nail function to protect the fingertips, help in holding and feeling objects, and improve the dexterity and strength of the finger of toes. The brain function to control movement, process information from the sense, store memories, regulate emotion, and support cognitive function and automatic body process such as breathing and heartbeat. The tangy function to aid in eating and drinking, taste various flavors, and help in speaking and pronouncing words. The esophagus function to transport food and drink from the mouth to the stomach, as well as assist in the breathing process by channeling air to the lungs. The lungs function to absorb oxygen from the air and expel carbon dioxide from the body through the process of respiration. The heart function to pump blood through the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients into cells and carrying away carbon dioxide and waste to be extracted. The liver function to process and filter blood, produce bile for digestion, store glucose, and regulate metabolism and detoxification of the body. The stomach function to digest food with the help of stomach acid and enzymes, and absorb some nutrients before they are passed and on the small intestine. The pancreas function to produce digestive enzymes that help break down food and secrete insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. The gallbladder function to store and release bile produced by liver, which aids in fat digestion. The kidneys function to filter blood, remove waste and excess fluid in the form of urine, and regulate electrolyte balance and blood pressure. Intestines. The intestines function in further digest food and absorb nutrients in the small intestines, as well as extract undigested waste through the large intestine. Bladder. The bladder function to store urine produced by the kidneys before it is excreted from the body through urination. Anus. The anus function as a passage for the excretion of feces from the body after digestion and absorption in the large intestine. And reproductive system. The reproductive system function to produce reproductive cells, sperma in man and eggs in woman, enable fertilization and support the development and birth of offspring. Uterus. The uterus function to hold and protect the fetus during pregnancy and provide a space for the fetus to develop until birth.